Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to record Spatial audio for VR. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So to record Spatial audio for VR, you will use either an Ambisonic microphone for a full 360 sound space or a binaural microphone setup for a more realistic air level perspective. So the choice depends on your project goals and how much flexibility you need in post-production. So audio recording equipments are your Ambisonic microphones or your binaural microphones, and now to set them up you need to simply use the specific setups and steps. Now the recording process starts from choosing a recording location, positioning your microphones. If you're using an Ambisonic, then you can place the mic in the center of the action, and if you're using binaural, then place the dummy head or binaural mic setup in the optimal listening position. After this, you can simply edit in compatible DAW. After the record is done, use the audio plugins and then balance and mix according to environment. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.